Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Shopify for conversion first storefront UI step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a strong password for your account. Enter the name of your store in the designated box. Fill out the necessary details about yourself, including your address and phone number. Click on the Create Your Store button to proceed. Once your store is created, follow the on-screen prompts to customize your storefront. Navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the Online Store option in the left sidebar. Select the Themes section to explore available themes. Choose a theme that prioritizes conversion and complements your brand. Click on the Customize button to enter the theme editor. Use the customization options to modify elements like colors, fonts, and layout. Add high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Incorporate clear and compelling calls to action on your homepage. Ensure your navigation menu is intuitive and user-friendly. Check the mobile responsiveness of your design to optimize for mobile users. Integrate necessary apps that assist with conversion, such as customer reviews or pop-up offers. Set up payment processing by navigating to the Settings section. Select payments to configure your preferred payment gateways. Test the checkout process by placing a sample order. Review and optimize product descriptions for clarity and appeal. Once you are satisfied, publish your storefront to the web. Regularly monitor site analytics to track visitor behavior and conversion rates. Make adjustments based on data to continually enhance your store's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.